To enable Credit.com password reset, follow these steps. First, go to the Credit.com website and click on the Login button. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link located below the login form. You will be redirected to a page where you will be asked to enter your email address associated with your Credit.com account. Enter your email address and click on the Send Reset link button. Credit.com will send a password reset email to your email address with a link to reset your password. Open the email and click on the Reset Password link. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong and unique password that includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Enter your new password in the password field and confirm it by re-entering it in the Confirm Password field. Click on the Reset Password button to save your new password. You will receive a confirmation email from Credit.com that your password has been reset successfully. Best practices for resetting your Credit.com password include using a strong and unique password, avoiding common words and phrases, and changing your password regularly. It is also important to keep your email address up to date and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your Credit.com account. By following these steps, you can easily enable Credit.com password reset and regain access to your account. Remember to always use a strong and unique password and keep your email address up to date to ensure the security of your Credit.com account.